Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing 20th question of winter holidays homework of class 9th. Find the lateral surface area of cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. How much steel was actually used if 1 upon 12th of steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? So this tank is cylindrical. So I have written diameter of tank. Diameter of tank is how much? 4.2 meter. So we will find radius of tank, and that will be denoted by R. It is 4.2 upon 2 meter. So 2.1 meter. What more is given? Height is given. Height of tank h, and the height of the tank is given 4.5 meter, right? So here lateral or curved, first part is lateral, oblique, curved. You can speak either lateral or curved. Surface area of tank. So lateral surface area of cylinder, the formula is 2 pi RH. So 2 into, if no value of pi is given, use 22 by 7. R is 2.1, so I can write that 21 by 10 into H is 4.5. I can write it 45 over 10, and meter square unit will be there. So we will solve it. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So 22 twos are 44 into 3 into 45 divided by 10 tens are 100 meter square. So if you have to do easy calculations, when in denominator 10, 100,000 comes, leave it as it is. So if you multiply these three, 5, 9, 4, 0 will come upon 100 meter square. 0 cancels with 0. So remove the this 10, it will become 59.4 meter square. Now second part. In second part is it asked how much steel actually was used if 1 upon 12th of steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So for that you need to find total surface area of tank. Formula 2 pi r into r plus h. Now you need to substitute values. 2 into 22 by 7, r is 2.1, 2.1 plus 4.5 meter square. 7 ones are, after cutting 0.3, 44 into 0.3 into 6.6 meter square. Do the calculations in rough work, you will get 87.12 meter square. The question is not complete yet. Now let amount of steel required to make the tank. Let amount of steel required to make the tank, and that we can say x. This is amount of steel. X meter square area means amount of steel. So amount of steel required minus amount of steel wasted, that will be the total surface area of the tank. So I can write total surface area of tank will be equal to amount of steel actually required, amount of steel required minus amount of steel wasted, amount of steel wasted. So total surface area we have found 87.12, and amount of steel required is how much? X, and amount of steel wasted is how much? X upon 12, right? Because 1/12 of the steel actually was wasted, he has written. So 87.12, LCM is what? 12. So 12 into x is 12x minus x, and it will be 11x upon 12. Now we need to find the value of x. X is equal to 87.12. This 11 of over 12 is taken other side. It becomes 12 over 11. So necessary cutting, 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are 77, 10 it becomes 101, 11 nines are 99, and 2 11 twos are. Now 7.92 will be multiplied by 12. It will be 95.04 unit meter square. So this actually steel used to make the tank. Therefore, actually steel used to make the tank, used to make the tank is equal to 95.04 meter square. Hope you have understood the solution of this question. I have tried to explain in the most easiest way. Thank you.